welcome to Introduction to Small Business. This video will explain how to complete the Google Classroom Assignment 2.03 survey questions. Go to your classwork tab. You can click View Your Work to see incomplete assignments, or you can scroll down to Unit 2 where all of the assignments that begin with the number 2 are listed. This question is, or this assignment is a question in the discussion board. Click to open the assignment. Click View Question. What questions will we include in our survey to Hub's students and staff to help us make business decisions? Share your questions on the discussion board. You will type in direct questions that you want to ask possible customers of the Hub's bookstore. So don't write categories like something like, I want to know the interests of the students. No, I want the question. So, for example, what books do you want to read? Okay, another question. Do you want delivery or pick up? Another question. What Hub's class are you taking? Etc. So you will write direct questions in the discussion board that we want to include in a Hub's survey. Then you click Turn In. You can also click to see the class comments to see what other students are suggesting. Thank you for your attention.